Once upon a time, in a sunny little garden, lived a round red tomato and a plump brown potato. They were the best of friends. Tomato loved to roll, bouncing happily from one side of the garden to the other. Potato, a little slower, loved to dig and wiggle in the soft soil. Together, they laughed all day long. One morning, Tomato rolled over to Potato and said, "Let's go on an adventure." Potato's eyes lit up. "Yes, but where should we go?" So Tomato rolled, and Potato waddled until they reached the carrot patch. The carrots waved their green tops like flags. "Good morning, friends," said the carrots. Next, they met the sunflowers, standing tall and golden. "Hello down there," the sunflowers called, smiling brightly. Tomato and Potato laughed and kept exploring until the sky turned pink. The sun yawned and the garden grew quiet. "It's getting late," whispered Potato. Tomato nodded. "Time to rest." They snuggled close together under a leafy lettuce blanket. Fireflies floated gently above them, twinkling like tiny stars. "Good night, Potato," whispered Tomato. "Good night, Tomato," giggled Potato. And as the garden drifted into peaceful sleep, the two best friends closed their eyes, dreaming of rolling and waddling through new adventures tomorrow.